The following segment is sponsored by Martin, Harding and Mazzotti.
Welcome back, everybody. Cases of the so-called grandparent scam are being reported nationwide. The Better Business Bureau's website lists one as recently as yesterday. According to CBS News, a pair of Target employees prevented two grandparents in Virginia from being scammed out of thousands of dollars. They warned the couple after they reportedly got a call from a person claiming to be a police officer who demanded $4,000 in Target gift cards in exchange for the release of their grandson. Paul Harding from the law firm of Martin, Harding and Mazzotti joins us right now. And Paul, we're not just talking about scams that target the elderly. This really could happen to anyone, right?
It can. You know, it's one of those things where, you got to look at it and say, this just doesn't feel right, right? The police looking for $4,000 in Target gift cards, I mean, someone was very convincing on the other side of the phone, but at the end of the day, if you get something that just doesn't feel right, call a friend.
Probably not right.
Probably's got something that isn't quite right with it, yeah.
So what can we do to protect ourselves from these types of scams?
Well, these scams seem to be about the same consistency, meaning someone says something about needing money or you're going to get some money or there's something going down, and you can kind of type in, and you can just kind of type in exactly what they're saying. It'll pop up. You can contact the police, you can contact different agencies, but at the end of the day, it really is just kind of a common sense rule. Don't be giving out information on the phone unless you know who you're talking to.
Really quickly, is there any legal recourse?
So little. These things, a lot of them are coming from Eastern Europe. They touch base in Africa, so we don't have a lot of jurisdiction. You do have the traditional ways of doing it. You can go ahead and just file a claim in court, but finding the bad guy, finding the bad group of people is often difficult to do.
All right, Paul, thank you so much. We really appreciate you being on the show. All right, we are turning to some breaking news at this hour. We're following some news just into our newsroom within the last 5 minutes or so. CBS News reporting President Trump pulled Steve Bannon, one of his senior advisors, from the National Security Council's Principals Committee. A group of the president's top national security officials were told Bannon will no longer serve on this committee, which is charged with considering policy issues affecting national security. Again, this news just coming into our newsroom down from Washington.